Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chinrias from Asagari Channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides sa ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancer ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at Megapal. Siksik-lig-lig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer? So let's see and watch this. Alamin na natin yan. Ito na. Now na. Angels, please give me information pa. There is a chariot card. Ooh, this is something taking action. May pagkilos at may paggalaw dito, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, you need to take an action from this situation or either from this agenda, no? This is a something scenario, no? Na kailangan mo nang kumawala ay kailangan mo nang umalis dyan sa grounds na yan. There's the King of Wands something vision. Unti-unti mo nang makikita, masisilayan, no? Ang pagbabago. Now, this is something a movement to joining forces. This is something an information with possibilities. And there's the Kingman. But this is something delay and cancellation, no? Or exhausted, or either you're lutang, no? Kung magalutang ka dito, or either hindi ka makapag-isip ng maayos, and of course, parang balisa ka at this time. So, let's see. And because this is something the Ten of Wands, so something burden, marami talagang, diba? Napakabigat. Maraming obligasyon, maraming responsibilidad, no? Kumbaga, marami kang pinagdadaanan sa ngayon. And this is something the Nine of Cups with a wish fulfillment. Pero isa sa mga bagay na yan ang pagtupad sa mga pangarap mo. And kasi sinasabi dito with the Strength card, kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. Lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo, maging mahinahon ka, na pag-isipan yung mga bagay na kung ano man ang hinaharap sa iyo. So let's see what is the Chariot card. Represented with the Knight of Swords. Now, this is something success-driven. Now, magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. So, kailangan mo lang talagang kumilos, gumalaw, magdesisyon, no? And of course, there's a Ten of Swords with the King of Wands. So, something backstabbing, betrayal, no? May sinasabi dito, maraming traidor, maraming manloloko, maraming may eksena sa'yo dito, no? Kumbaga, kikilala mo na, no? Nakikita mo na kung sino tong mga to, no? Kumbaga, malakas ang ano mo, vibrations mo dito na tong tao na to, diba? Iba backstab ka at the end of the time, no? May impostor, plastic, gano'n. The Hangman represent the ease of ones for new project, new plans, and new business ideas, no? Maraming papasok na excited dito, but this is something delays, no? Maaaring kumbaga nakatali ka sa situations, or eksena, this is something kadena, no? Maaaring kumbaga nagdulot to ng kabalasan sa inyo ng buong pamilya mo dahil dito sa kagagawa ng taong gumawa sa inyo ng hindi maganda. Let's see what is the Ten of Wands, kasi there's something burden. So this is a page of Wands, something good news. May magandang balita. Paano mo babaklasin o paano mo makakalaya dyan sa negativities na yan? The Nine of Cups represent the King of Swords. Stop the pattern. Putulin, no? Kung ano man yung mga kaugnayan dito. Na kaya pala, there's something backstab. Maaring ka mag-anak tong gumawa or gumagawa sa inyo. This is a Strength card represent the Six of Pentacles. Giving, receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances, no? There's something balance. And of course, the Chariot card represents the Knight of Swords. Represent the lovers. Ooh, this is something connected with your love life. Connected with your parents, no? Maaaring konektado pagdating sa mag-asawa. The King of Wands represents the Ten of Swords, represent the Knight of Wands. So this is something resilience. Ito yung sinasabi na, kilala mo na eh, no? Kailangan mo na lang maging maingat. No? Kumbaga, magtiyaga ka sa kung ano man yung mga nakikita mo ngayon, no? Kumbaga, huwag ka munang, gagawa ulit ng isang bagay na alam mong, kumbaga, masisira ang plano mo. Ganyan. Kailangan, kumbaga, hanggat hindi mo nakukuha isang bagay na yun, huwag ka nagbibigay ng impormasyon dito sa tao na to. And this is the word card, na babaguhin ang mundong ginagalaw mo, o may ang mundo mo, at ang mundo ng pamilya mo ay pinaglalaroan ito, no? At babaguhin to with an Ace of Wands, no? This is something new spark, no? And the word card represents a success, no? Magsasuccess din naman daw to. And of course, there's a trouble, guys. So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands, because the Page of Wands represents the Temperance. Ooh, this is a perfect timing for a solid foundation. Na kumbaga, papalakasin, papatibayin ang inyong pundasyon. May mga pinagdadaanan kayo ngayon, isa sa part yun, no? Sa proseso mo para sa tagumpay. The Nine of Cups, because the King of Swords, represent the Page of Wands by intuitions. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. This is something inner voice, no? Na maaaring pumapasok sa isipan mo itong mga mensahe na to, na kailangan mo mag-ingat. Isang babala at paalala sa'yo, na itong bagay na to, pag kumbaga binali mo at inalis mo to sa sistema mo, no? Babaguhin ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo at pagtupad sa mga pangarap mo. Ganon. The Strength card, Six of Pentacles, represent the tool with a partnership. No, we connected with a partnership dito, guys, no? Sinasabi talaga tong bagay na to ay maaaring maging balanse ka. Lakasan mo ang loob mo, lakasan ang pakiramdam mo. Cause confident is your key to success. So let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Eight of Wands. So this is possible na may travel ka talaga. May gala ka, guys. This is something travel adventures. And there is a lot of messages on the email, proposal, and of course, phone calls. And of course, this is something that is of course for a new love life. Bagong pag-ibig, bagong harot. Ito magdadala sa'yo ng higher level of commitment. So let's see. Additional messages pagdating sa career. A judgment. Paalala. You need to pay attention. So, kung ano man ang mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, no? And this is a death card from the ending and the new beginning. Ito na yung oras at panahon para tapusin, waksiin, no? At baklasin ang nagsisilbing balakid. The judgment is a wake-up caller, paalala, diba? So, let's see. Additional messages. This is the Five of Cups in reverse. So, there is something acceptance, no? Pagtanggap na, no? Unti-unti mo na matatanggap, no? Na yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo, kumbaga, nagkaroon man ng delays, no? Cancellation sa mga plano and transaction nyo, but eventually, this will be a transformation and development for your own sake. Ganon. Kumbaga, babaguhin talaga ang kapalaran mo dito. Additional message pagdating sa love life. Dahil dito, kumbaga, ibabaguhin yung kapakanan mo, no? Parang gano'n. This is a Two of Pentacles with a balance. Maging balance ka pagdating sa love life. This is a Three of Wands. Ito yung hinihintay mo. No? Hinihintay mo pagkakataon. No? And the Ten of Cups with the happiness. Magiging masaya ka daw dito. Hindi lang siya masaya, magiging maligalig ka din. Gano'n. Kumbaga, puno ng pag-ibig, pagmamahal, gano'n. Harutan. Additional messages pagdating sa health. This is a Ten of Pentacles at the Dower moment. Ooh, this is something revealing. Ibig sabihin, magiging maganda na ang kalusugan nyo. No? May sumusubok talaga sirain ng inyong pamilya. This is a Devil card. I told you. Oh my God. Diba gusto nitong hindi ka maging masaya? Gusto nitong bumagsak ang negosyo ng buhay mo? Gusto nitong magkaroon kayo mga karamdaman para doon mapunta lahat mga pinaghirapan nyo? Ooh, talaga ba? So, let's see what is additional messages with the Yin and Yang Oracle card. So, lalamin pa natin ang chika sa ng ating mga gabay. And this is something karma. Justice will be served. Oh, karma is waving. Pinapakita dito sa likod ng mga pagganapan sa buhay mo, huwag kang mag-alala. May karma. And this is something an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And this is something trust the divine timing. So, see? Kumbaga, may takdang oras at takdang panahon. At sinasabi dito, this is something stability and flow, dadaloy na, no? Magbibigay sa ng stabilidad at magbibigay ng control, no? And stable situation. So, let's see what is additional messages for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And this is a trouble, guys. Threefold clarification tayo, ha? Na may trouble talaga na paparating sa'yo. And this is something peace. Magiging mapayapa ka na this time. And this is something in shape, intimacy, bonding, no, sa inyong dalawa ng person mo. Additional messages with a magic of fairy messages, affirmation. Ooh, positive thought, create a positive result. Always being positive, no? Para maging positive ang outcome. And this is something, do some research. Study, learning, no? Marami ka pang dapat matutunan dito. Additional messages with synchronicities. And this is something soulmate connection. Maaring soulmate kayo ng person mo. And there's a spring, this is something blossoming, magpaglago talaga ng finances dito, guys. Maghintay ka lang, ha? And this is something journey, guys. Meron talagang travel talaga dito, guys. Kumaga, ang laking factor ng travel sa'yo. Galang-gala ka. So, let's see what is additional messages with the Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael messages is go forward fearlessly. Kailangan mo magpatuloy na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan, no? And this is have confidence. Kailangan mo talaga ng kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. And this is something, decide to be happy now. Kailangan mo mag-desisyon, magiging masaya ka ngayon. Bukas at magpakilanman. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And because this is something food with a nutrition relationship, no? Magiging malusog at magiging masagana ang inyong pagsasama. And there's an healing, no? Magkakaroon ka talaga ng healing, and this is an awareness and opportunity, no? Mag-iingat ka lang sa mga oportunidad na papasok sa buhay mo, and this is something purification and transmutation. Paglilinis, no? Kung magalilinisin, naalisin, wawaksin yung mga bagay na magsisilbing negativity sa buhay mo. And this is something silver by goddess inside. May pasilip sa iyong ating angel spirit na masisilayan mo na ang malaking pasabog at bulabog na magpapabago ng landasin mo. For the energy, represent what? 7 chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. Ooh, I love it. And this is adjacent possibilities. May pintuan na magbubukas at may mga pintuang magsasarang opportunity para sa iyo, no? And of course, angel of strength, no? Pero this is something boost for confidence. Talaga pinapalakas ang kumpiyansa sa sarili mo, no? Para sa madaling salita, kailangan makapal ang mukha mo dito. Ganon. So, let's see what is our romance angels represent what? Represent, give your relationship a chance. This is something second time around, second chances. Oh, talaga ba? Meron ditong manunumbalik ang tamisan tunay na pag-ibig. This is something wedding, no? Ikakasal ka na this time. Or either kasal kayo. What is the chakra messages? And this is something confusion. See, may nanggugulo talaga sa eksena mo. And there's a workaholic. Pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, ng buhay, wala naman masasabi dito. And there's a perseverance. Masyado ka rin matyaga or kailangan mo magtyaga. For the angels, answer represent what? Angels answer, there is a compromise. Now, may mga pinangako, pinagkasunduan dito na you need to let go something, no? And this will be ask for help from others. So, kailangan mo rin ng tulong ng ibang tao. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Career change, no? Babaguhin din ang career mo dito, guys. And this is writing, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay matututunan ka. Malalaman ka. Ganon. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is a forgiveness na kailangan mong patawarin, magpatawad, no? And there's a denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yung awareness, no? Hindi sa natatakot ka. Kumbaga, nag-aalala ka lang sa posibleng mangyari. And this is something loneliness, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka nag-iisa dito, don't you worry, ginagabay ka ng ating angel spirit. Or may mga taong gumagabay sa'yo at kumbaga, nandyan lagi sa situation mo. For Archangel Raphael messages. And this is something fireworks, no? Kumbaga, yung pagdarasal mo talagang nagkakatotoo yan. No, kumapit ka lang. And this is something home help. Kailangan talaga ng tulong ng tahanan nyo. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And this is something, the weight of the world, no? Boundaries, let it go. Napakawalan mo, pangalagaan mo, no? Yung mga bagay na alam mong mahalaga sa'yo. At bitawan mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. For angel spirit. Piila ka, ano, sinilang ka. Puti lang yun ah. For Monsology, you are good enough. Sapat ka na daw dito. And because this is something step out of your comfort zone, kailangan mong kumawala sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Alisin mo yung pangamba mo dito, guys. Isa sa nagsisilbing balakid din. For Jesus' loving quote said, what things soever you desire when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you shall have them. So, kung ano daw yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo, pinapangarap mo, ay maaaring magkatotoo kung ito ay pinagdarasal at naniniwala ka na yung pinagdadasal mo ay maaaring magkatotoo. Ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Kaya keep praying, guys. Kumbaga, don't lose hope, guys, kasi God is real. So, let's see what is additional messages. With an angels number 4888 for personal power, Ang ganda ng reading. This is something material and spiritual abundance. All that is good, pleasant in your life will multiply. Angels are sending the number to reassure you of the prosperity and well-being ahead. So your surround will treat you with admiration and respect. You see it to greater good. So, talagang magiging maganda ang kalalabasan nito at magiging maganda na ang ikot na kapalaran sa iyo. Kung may mga pinagdaanan ka this past few months, this past few years, but eventually, guys, it will be changed, Kung babaguhin ng mga karanasan, mga pinagdaanan mo sa isang iglap lang. So, let's see. What is the messages of life? Messages of life represent what? Represent discoveries at marami ka pang malalaman. Marami ka pang matututunan at marami ka pang mauunawaan. Today, I release my old beliefs, conviction and preconceived notions on their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am at the table. I am able to see beyond limitations, my previous limitation, and discover greater worth inside me. So, lahat mga bagay sa'yo, huwag alisin mo yung kontrolado mo, pakawalan mo, Stop controlling your life, may mga bagay dyan na mangyayari yan ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, magkakaroon ng fulfillment, magiging natural yan. At pakawalan mo lang yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo kontrolado. Maniwala sa ating poong may kapal na siyang gumawa. Guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babosh!